Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls. Some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, some car vlogs. If that's something you'd be interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So this is gonna be a kind of like review on a bag that was sent to me. The company is called Babalabag Co. And they asked me to choose a bag to review on my channel. I chose the Gucci Giglio small tote bag 860845 in the blue and white GG denim high. On the site it says it starts at $269. It could be more, it could be less depending on when you go on. So I was away. You guys know I was on vacation. I just got back. The package was here. I'm gonna add a little clip of the box because the day that I arrived it did rain, so the box was wet, but the box looks like this. It does have a little bit of kind of wear and tear, but anytime you order online, that's bound to happen. So this is the bag that I chose, and the packaging is beautiful. It's magnetic. You can see the magnets. It brings a tissue paper and a little bow kind of detail if you want to gift it, but this is for me, so I'm not gonna need that. It comes in a beautiful bag. I've already seen it. I couldn't wait, but it comes in a nice bag that you can store it. If you're gonna put it away, you can just cinch it and save it so it doesn't get dusty or anything. So let me take this out. So this is the bag. And I saw this in the brown, but I wanted, you know, I love color. I wanted something different, so I went with the denim, which I feel like I can wear more often. On my days off, when I'm wearing denim, if I have a white dress and I want something with a little color, I can dress it up, I can dress it down. It's gonna be super comfortable for every day. It's a beautiful size, like perfect. I think the medium, that is what I wanted, might have been too big. So the fabric is nice. I don't see any stitching out of place. The detail is gold buckle. You have the gold GG. And then it's in this navy red handle stripe, which love. The inside is white and there are no pockets, but you get this little pouch. Also, you can use it as a wristlet. It has this little belt detail if you want it to wear as a wristlet, or you want to attach it in here. There's a little clip, you can attach it to that and have it in case someone wants to take it, because even though it has the magnetic detail, there is no zipper, so you know this will be nice and secure strapped. You get a nice crossbody strap and a smaller kind of wristlet for this if you want to do a wristlet with it. An extra strap, which I appreciate. I don't think I would wear this as a crossbody, but I feel like just like this is gonna be so nice. And I'm gonna change into this because I'm wearing navy today. This is gonna be perfect. I'm in jeans and some sneakers. Sunday, I'm gonna just do some errands and whatever. But I love the bag. I love the detail. It just looks so nice, and it's spacious. Like you could fit a lot. You can fit your wallet, you can fit your glasses, you can fit your camera, your vlogging stuff, your lights and all that. Everything fits so nicely. So I'm so happy with my bag. And the site has so many. Let me see if I can. This is the site, Babalabag, and there are so many bags that you could choose from. So many beautiful bags. So I chose this one and I love it. I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of it. I love this handle that is material, so you're not like peeling on the leather. The hardware is so nice. Even the zipper, smooth. No pulls, nothing that looks out of place, no yarns or, you know, anything. It looks so good. So good. So I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm so happy that I picked this color in the denim. It looks so beautiful. So I want to thank Babalabag for sending me the bag, working with me. I love the bag. I'm gonna list everything down below, coupon codes, the actual site, the link to the bag. If you like this bag, everything will be linked down below. So again, Babalabag, thank you so much for sending me the bag. I love it. I love the packaging. I loved everything about it. If you're new here, you made it this far, please consider hitting that subscribe button, joining the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.